All right, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. We're here at checkpoint 12. I only brought my Zillion and my Shimano Conquest. Oh no, Convergence fishing pole. It's because I had to set up the other ones and we ran out of time. As you see, the sun's already down. So we're just gonna fish all along the bank and hopefully we catch a fish right now. We gotta find the fish real quick. Probably do one cast at a time and just keep walking, moving. Just stick and move. We're just gonna stick and move. We could even put some scent on it if we want to, you know what I mean? Let's throw one back that way. Work it along the bank while I walk to my next spot where I'm gonna cast. Right here, it's a good spot right here. Just keep going, stick and move, stick and move. I just gotta get my bait back. Yeah, I feel that. Gotta pick up my mag drag real quick because there's that problem. I didn't correct the line. Earlier I was trying to cast further. Let's put it back at 12. What the fuck? It's even all the way over there. Damn. Hold on. I better not catch a fish right now because that would suck. That's a good thing I heard it. I knew something was wrong with my reel. There's the only thing about fluorocarbon, it wants to hold its shape, you know what I mean? How it was. And when you put a new spool, it kind of tangles up. They call it memory. Say line memory. Alright, let's do it one more time. Okay, we're good. Just fine tune your your reels. I always pick up the drag at night so you don't spool up so easy. Because once it spools up, it's game over. You better rather have a shorter cast than go home. Oh shit! I don't know if I had a bite or got stuck on something. So stick and move, stick and move. I noticed there's like some stick piles right there in the water, so I'm just gonna cast right there. Ooh. Again, I don't know if that was a fish. I don't know if that was a fish or it got stuck. I'm going too fast. And it's cold water, so. Yeah, I wasn't trying to cast that far and it goes far. God damn. I don't know why I keep spending my time right there. Alright. Come on, baby. I just need one fish for my video. So just gotta work the bait slow, work it slow. It's winter, it's cold. I honestly never got a topwater bite in the winter. If you guys ever caught a fish in the winter on a topwater, let me know. I heard buzz baits, but like I said, I never caught shit, so I don't know. If you caught a topwater bite in the winter that wasn't a cold water species, but it was actual bass, let me know. But what I mean by cold water species, like degrees. Because I can't see anything and I'm spooling. Normally I would adjust the left. You don't supposedly you don't want to. I slightly back and forth. Oh, bitch! I don't know if I had a bite or it got stuck in there. Like I said, I don't need a far cast. Most of my bites come near the shore anyway. Come on, baby. There you go. On the zillion, baby. It's taking a little bit of line, so I know it's a small fish. But thank you guys for watching my video. Woo! Yeah, baby. Got our first fish. It's a small one. I knew I was feeling bites or some shit right now. It's pretty good. It's probably a keeper, actually. You would want to measure him. But we caught our fish. That's right. Tell me, you just gotta find them. On the zillion, baby. But we got our fish. 10 minutes in and we got our fish. That's how long it takes me to catch a fish in the winter. Don't worry. We'll check the date and time. Oh, we'll get to check the water temperature too. So I throw the fish back in. Oh shit. I had to throw him back in because I'm falling in the water and shit. Oh fuck. $5:45, January 23rd. There you go. Right on time, baby. That's right. And let's check the temperatures real quick. I'm so excited I'm not cold no more. Oh man. Let me get my thermometer real quick. I knew I was having bites, but I wasn't sure because they were like small bites. They're not like in the summer or the spring or like warm water bites. It's more accurate to say, I guess. Let me just get my thermometer real quick. Yeah, my thermometer. Here it is. Take the batteries out. I always do that. Do this now. Just take the batteries out just to reset it. It's been a while. I should have gone live too. Maybe next time I'll go live. All right. So let's go take the temperature. Let's not have the camera too close to the water in case it falls down. First reading said 51. Damn, can't see shit. Well, it says 51 in the screen. You kind of see it. There you go. We're around the 50s. I'm far away from the water right there, but average of 50-degree water. All right. I might go back to the same spot we were if right here doesn't produce anything right now. So hold up. See if we catch another one. We're 13 minutes in and we caught our first fish, so we're good. Let me find my fishing pole. I left it on top somewhere. All right. So that's pretty cool. Caught our first fish. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Guess I have to stay here because the camera's pointing that way, but I got no real good footing here. That was amazing. That was amazing. fuck was that? Oh shit, a bird got shocked and it just hit the water. Do you guys just see that? Did I record that? Did I get that on camera? It's flapping, it's taking its last moment to... Oh shit. Oh hell no, don't tell me I broke my fishing, my... That's some crazy shit. And I did, fucking bitch. God. And I broke my lure. That is crazy. At least I didn't bring my fishing pole, but I broke my lure. That sucks. As soon as I heard it fly, I knew it broke. I couldn't even see the line that was all messed up right there. Damn. I think I might not be able to get a retie, everybody, because it's pretty dark. So that might be the end of the video. Let me leave this here and I'll take it right now with me. God. I broke the jerk bait that caught me the fish. I don't think I could throw a BFS jerk bait on this one because it's fluorocarbon. Hold on. Be careful with my lures right now. I don't want to drop them in the water. Where's the one I'm looking for? That stinks. We're gonna try to throw this one. And if it flies, it flies. And if it spools, then we go home. Alright. No guarantees. I know if I had a 50-pound braid on this one, or if I brought my Bantam that has a braid on it, I should be able to throw this BFS, but I don't know if I'll be able to throw it. Alright, let's try it. And if not, this is the end of the video, everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate everybody that tapped in. I mean, I caught my fish, so it's just time to go anyways. But I found them, they're over there. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if I'm able to cast this. If not, video's over. Cause from the BFS stuff, I only got... Oh shit, I don't want to fall in that fucking water. From the BFS stuff, this line's not designed to throw small lures. That's why I like the braid. It's a lot better. This is definitely not the right lure for the job, but it's the one I know it's gonna catch fish. But will it fly? It's just not that far. Who cares? Let's just go. Let's just go home. Everybody, much love. Thank you for tapping in. See you guys on the next video. It's not gonna work with this one, but lovely day and all that. Much love.